forgot to tell you about my cucumber mix. Mix up cucumber in a blender, make it real face cream-like, put it all over your face, put it on there for like 20 minutes, and voila, smooth, nice. Also, it's some of my blemishes have been going. I've been doing this for a little bit, probably a couple weeks now, and I'm liking the effects. I'm gonna keep doing it just to say what else may happen. You know, I just want to see how it's going to treat my skin. I've been trying to find the best skin remedies. Some are great, some are not, but this one you'll see in a sec. I look a hot mess, but it works.
By that confession, you opened up their lives. How because I was not because. Okay. Now, so how can I be because of the second one? And it's all your
mixed up some cucumber facial. We'll see what it does to my skin. It's just a little nippy nip here. Alright guys, hi. I'm here to do a makeup haul. I should have been doing it for a while. I just got this new ring light tabletop, pretty cool, different, and having a bad hair day, so forgive the whole look. But I thought I would share my new finds. So between Wish and the drugstore, the local store I should say, not the drugstore, that sounds bad. I wanted to share my new finds. So one of them being Superstay Maybelline. I will actually be putting on some makeup and showing you how that lays down, and the NYX one marked towards my color. Also a something I hadn't used before in makeup. I just usually put it on as a primer. This is a flower. Never heard of it. Just wanted to try it. Also a setting powder. This actually was okay. I think I use, gotta watch how much I use. New liner. Graphics, LA Colors. Also this lip stuff, long lasting, just an off brand. One of my Wish buys, another off-brand lip, supposed to be one of those matte colored lips. Also I just got a brow pencils, a few different ones. So this one I opened. Usually if I like a product I'll get more than one, but I just wanted to share all my new goodies, and I will later show you my look, my day look. This right here, this is just a chill moment. I needed to spruce her up. She needs a sprucing. So you'll see me later looking fab. Tell me what you think. Basically I'm gonna do lashes, liner, and lips, foundation. Keep it simple, no color. I need to play with color, but not today. Alright, thanks, bye, see you in a minute, see you in a bit.
Maybe I need to explain something to you. 80% of the suicides that occur in this nation are committed by men. Men are three times more likely to commit suicide in their 40s and 50s than they are in their teens and 20s. I know you don't think I need to talk about this, but I do. Because when women die, they die screaming and complaining and reaching out and talking about, why weren't you there for me? And we need to talk. When men die, we die quietly. Nobody said the word. We just slip away. And so David said to God, he said, I don't know whether my life is over. I don't know whether I'm going to come out of this or not. He said, I don't even know whether I got another fight in me. and I don't even know whether I need to go against the Amalekites or not. And God looked back at him, and in essence, he said 2 words. Fight back. Somebody holler, fight back. So I got a message for every man who wants to quit, and every woman too. For every man who's at his wit's end, and every woman too. For every man who's tired in the middle of the battle, and for every one of you who's wondering, do I have what it takes for this season in my life? God gave me a message for you today. When you get up out of the bed in the morning and you're driving down the road to work, fight back. When you go through hell and high water on the job and the enemy tells you it's all for nothing, fight back. When you go home and run into smell of smoke and all hell is breaking loose in the house, because if you fight back, the Lord said you will recover everything that the devil tried to steal. Slap somebody and tell them, I want it back. I want it back. Give me my joy. Give me my peace. Give me my power. Give me my authority. Give me my anointing. Somebody by the hand and look at me now and say, I don't know what you're going to do, but I made up my mind. I'm not going to take this.